Hello there everybody, the Train Spotter 5000 here, and I'm at Birmingham International for part 2 of my video. Again, you'll be seeing services by Arriva Trains Wales, London Midland, Virgin Trains and Cross Country. Over there we have a dual pairing at 158841 and another 158 that came in from Aberystwyth. We've got a 323240 that came in from Birmingham New Street, and just arrived we've got the 350128 with a service with the 1410 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street. Let's see what shall arrive and depart in part 2. I have also changed some settings in my camera, so hopefully it looks better than it did earlier. And shortly departing is the 1408 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street. My favourite saying, the Desi Power. Hope you enjoy part 2 as much as you did in part 1. And now departing is the 1410 Arriva Trains Wales service to Aberystwyth and Pwllheli. 158841 takes the train away. And 158827 on the rear this time. And now arriving is the 1415 Virgin Trains Pendolino service to Birmingham New Street only. Formed of 390045. Also arriving, we've got the 1415 cross country service to Bournemouth 221114. I'll focus on the Pendo as it's departing. On this side. And now departing is that 1415 cross-country service to Bournemouth by Reading, Oxford, Southampton Central. And now departing is the 1417 London Midland City service back to Birmingham New Street from here. Let's shut 323240 again. And also arriving with the 1420 Virgin Trains Pendolino service from Glasgow Central to London Euston via Coventry, Milton Keynes Central and London Euston. We'll keep it rolling. Let's have a look. 390050. Who scratched it all the way down the front? Look at that. And now departing is 390-050 with the 1420 Virgin Trains Penalino service to London Euston. No, it's not departing, it's just staying there. Oh no, it is. It takes forever for the doors to shut and it to begin. Got lucky with the weather today, because when Scouse Train Spotting 1999, shout out to his channel and a few others, can't remember their YouTube channels, came down here on the West Midlands State Ranger. It was raining when they come to Birmingham International, while I'm baking hot in the sun. Lucky me. I'm now arriving in with the 1429 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street. From its usual 350. I'll get the number upon its departure. I'm now arriving in with the 1430 London Midland service to London Euston. It looks like it's the return of the dual pairing, so sorry for that burp. 350-112 again. And 350-120. I'm now departing the 1429 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street. Sorry about my hand getting in the way there. It's not the most comfortable tablet to hold. 350-246. And shortly departing the 1430 London Midland service to London Euston. And now arriving is the delayed 1433 Virgin Penalino to Birmingham New Street.
Next train to arrive on platform 2 for 1438, cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly, following at Birmingham New Street for
On the 390-013. Also over there we have the 1440 Virgin Trains Penalino to London Euston. It's the return of 390, can't remember. Wasting my breath. I'll keep it rolling as this Penalino should depart. Now. Let's go for a lower angle. Tilt it up against the chair and leave. No, that's more uncomfortable, so I'll keep it like this. Go on then, Virgin. Disappear. You're already 5 minutes late. Hopefully I get a Penalino back to Wigan North Western. They got 2 super voyages earlier. Just depressed me. Virgin Spirit. There's the next 39. And now arriving was the 1440 1 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly. Now shortly departing to the 1440 Virgin Trains Penalino service to London Euston. That's the 1438, but it's delayed. Oh, sorry about that. Come on then, Virgin Train. There we go. (39103), the Royal British Legion going back to London. And now shortly departing should be the delayed 1438 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly via Stoke-on-Trent, calling at Birmingham New Street, Wolverhampton, Stafford, Stoke-on-Trent, Macclesfield, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. Just a normal Voyager 220001. While I've got a minute, I'm going to ask this question. Please comment below. Which livery of Voyager do you prefer? Virgin Trains or cross country? And now arriving is the 1445 London Midland service to London Euston via Northampton, I think. 350-128. Which you need to clean badly. And shortly departing is the 350 bound for London Euston via Coventry, Northampton, Milton Keynes Central, Watford Junction and a few other. And now arriving, I think it's the delayed 1443 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street. Now departing is not the 1443, it's the 1446. Delay London Midland service to Birmingham New Street, 350-102. And now arriving is this delayed 1453 Virgin Trains Super Voyager service to Glasgow Central on the dual pairing as usual. 221107 moves it away and it's full as usual. St Martin Frobisher. I'll get the rear upon its departure. And now departing is the 1453 delayed Virgin Super Voyager dual pairing set off to Glasgow Central, calling at Birmingham New Street, Sandwell and Dudley, Wolverhampton, Crewe, Warrington, Wigan, Preston, Lancaster, Oxenholme, Carlisle and Glasgow. (221) 114 on the rear. And also arriving, we've got the return of the 323 from Birmingham New Street, terminating here with the shuttle service. Once again, it's 323 240. As that train pulled in, I was like, I'm going to end this video here, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment below. Goodbye.